How to create a Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Den. Today, we're going to show you how to create a Facebook account from scratch. Whether you're new to social media or just want to connect with friends and family, this tutorial is perfect for you. Step 1. Go to www.facebook.com. First, open a web browser and navigate to www.facebook.com. You can also download the Facebook app on your mobile device, if you prefer. Step 2. Click on Create New Account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, click on the Create New Account button. This will take you to the registration page. Step 3. Enter your details. Now, enter your details, such as your first and last name, email address, password, and birthday. Make sure to use a valid email address and a strong password. Step 4. Add a profile picture. Once you've entered your details, you'll be asked to add a profile picture. You can upload a photo from your computer or take a new one using your webcam. Step 5. Confirm your email address. Finally, Facebook will send a confirmation email to your email address. Click on the link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. That's it. You now have a brand new Facebook account. Thanks for watching The Digital Den. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. You can adjust the script to fit your personal style and tone. Also, make sure to add visuals and animations to make the video more engaging.